topic I want to talk about today while we're talking about applications, and that's games. We recommitted Apple to games 9 months ago, and we've been working really hard on this. Matter of fact, one of the things we did was we got the best and most respected authors of the best games together to beat us up. And we let them, and we listened to them, and we're really trying to take their advice and implement it. And I think we're doing a pretty good job. And you've seen some of it in the new Power Macintosh G3. You've seen some of it in OpenGL. And the gaming community has really responded. Now, we want to be the best gaming platform in the world. And today, I'm going to show you 12 of the hottest games on the market that are all coming to the Macintosh. Some of them are shipping today. The rest of them are shipping, all of them, within 120 days from now. These are all public commitments, many of them being made at Macworld here today. Tomb Raider 3, the successor to the incredibly popular Tomb Raider 2. Very hot game. Myth 2. SimCity 3000, great game. This is from Electronic Arts. Fly. You know, Macintosh has never had a great flight simulator. This is coming from the folks that do the Microsoft Flight Simulator, and it's hot. Rainbow Six from Tom Clancy. Imperialism 2. StarCraft, really huge game, coming to the Mac. Heretic 2. Battlezone. Quest for Glory 5. Age of Empires from Microsoft and Matsoft, very popular game, and Quake. Now, one of the things that I would like to take my great pleasure to do is, of all of the great game authors and technologists in the world, there's one who's a legend among legends, and he's helped us a lot. He's beat us up a lot to do the right thing, and his name is John Carmack. And John is the co-founder of id Software, and he's the author of the hottest games in the industry. I'd like to introduce him now, John Carmack.
Okay, I'm here today because Apple finally has their act together with regards to 3D graphics acceleration, both hardware and software. Now, on the hardware side, every single Mac that's shipping today has adequate 3D acceleration on the iMacs and the PowerBooks, and those all work fine. But on the new G3s, they have absolutely state-of-the-art acceleration that's as good as you can get anywhere, and that's working out really well. On the software side, we have a strategic commitment to OpenGL and the full support of both SGI and ATI. Now, because of this, we've got several things going on. We have underway ports of several existing OpenGL titles. We've got Quake 2, Heretic 2, and Sin. They're working on being ported right now. But probably more interesting, we have, right now, I have a little demo of what we're currently working on, Quake Arena, which is being done simultaneously on the Macintosh and PC platforms. Okay, because we've got OpenGL support simultaneously on the different platforms, we're able to have basically the same title running full-featured, everything common on both the Macintosh and PC platform. This is just a few things that we put together to show off some of the graphics features. This is running real-time through OpenGL on a Power Mac G3, and this is running with high-resolution, 24-bit color, trilinear filtering, basically all the really good graphics features that you can get out of anything. And this is just really early work on the Mac, and it's working out great. We're getting good performance. There's plenty of optimization that we've got all lined up. The cooperation between ATI and Apple is working out really well. We're going to get it looks like it's going to be competitive with the very best you can get anywhere on the PC. And we won't know till things are finally done exactly where it's going to stack up benchmark-wise. But the quality is absolutely faultless. There's absolutely nothing that the Rage 128 hardware doesn't do perfectly. And the performance that we're getting is looking good. We've got there's no reason that the Macintosh won't be an absolutely perfect gaming platform for anything that you want to do. At the office right now, I'm often playing in our current testing situations, running on the Mac, playing against the PCs, and works perfectly. There's absolutely no thing. The only thing that you want to do as a Mac with a serious gamer, you want to pull out the silly one-button mouse and plug in a three-button mouse pretty quick. But, But aside from that, cooperates just fine with anything else there that you want on PC or other platforms. And the quality is obviously there with everything. Performance is going to be up there. And the development process right now, because I've made the architectural changes necessary in the core code base, instead of being an after-the-fact port, there's only 15K of Macintosh-specific code in this. All the rest of it is our standard code base. So when we wind up having the game ready to go, it's just a compile. Every week or whenever we do a code merge, build the Mac version, play on it, and it's just up to date constantly. There's basically no reason that, well, we'll have a test of our initial stuff in probably March that will be released simultaneously on the Macintosh and PC platforms, and then the full commercial version will also be ready to go simultaneously at the same time. And also, because we license technology to a number of other game companies, anyone that licenses the Quake Arena technology automatically gets a Macintosh version running just for free. And that's what I've got to show.